Hello everyone, welcome back to Femica. I hope all of you are doing well. We all know how versatile and energizing is Bollywood. Bollywood makeup standards have always been high and we are always inspired by the celebrities' looks and outfits. So today let's create another beautiful celebrity look created on Alia Bhatt. And let's try to replicate this look by using just clean beauty products. So let's get started with the tutorial. So I have already prepped my skin and now I'm going ahead with my foundation, and for that I'm using EBA Must Have Waterproof Liquid Foundation. This is full coverage, matte finish, sweat proof, and it is suitable for all skin types. I am just applying very little quantity all over my face and I am blending it with my blender. For concealer I am using EBA Must Have Waterproof Concealer, and I am applying this under my eyes, and I am also applying it in the middle of my face to give some brightening effect. And then I am just blending it with my blender. To add some color to my face, I am using Lover's Got Your Back Multi-Pot Tint. This has a creamy matte finish to it. I am just applying it on my cheeks and blending it with my fingers. Now I am applying the same tint in the other shade called Be the Change on my eyes to give a rosy pink shade to my eyelids. I am applying it directly with my fingers on my eyelids and blending any harsh lines. For my waterline I am using Disguise Cosmetics All Day Gel Kajal in Black Onyx. This is supremely pigmented, smudge proof and waterproof. For my lashes I am using EBA Cosmetics Black and Bold 24-Hour HD Mascara. The formula is very lightweight and waterproof. It separates the lashes really well and gives them length. For my lips I am using EBA Cosmetics Must Have Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Sheer Peach. I am applying it directly with my fingers for a natural finish. And with that our makeup look is complete. Now let's change our outfit and hair into something similar that Alia is wearing. Let me show you how you can shop these products at Femica at the best prices. To shop these products at Femica, you just need to visit our website, and on the homepage in the makeup section, you will find all the categories of makeup. You can also search individual products from the search bar. You can check out each product by clicking on the product. Here you will find all the information regarding the product, such as how to use, benefits, features, and so on. You can add all your favorite products to the cart. After adding all your favorite products to the cart, you can proceed to checkout. Here you can also apply my coupon code KRITI500, by which you will get a 500 rupees off if you shop for 1000 or above. After this, you can proceed to payment. We have all kinds of payment methods such as UPI, card, net banking, and so on. After completing the payment, your order would be placed, and see how easy it is to shop at Femica. So guys, that was it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching this recreation of Alia Bhatt's makeup look. You also try and recreate this look by the products available at Femica, and don't forget to tag us in your post and your stories. Don't forget to check out all of these products by the links mentioned in the description box below. Join our community and welcome yourself to the world of clean and natural beauty by connecting to our social media platforms. All of our social media platforms are mentioned on your screens and are mentioned in the description box below. So I'll see you very soon here at Femica. Till then, take care and happy shopping.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.